welcome to the channel. Welcome to the lounge with me, Amanya. I'm so happy that you're here. If you're here for the first time, welcome to the channel. Grab a seat, relax, and let us do a little DIY project. So like the video, share, subscribe. I would love to have you here in this channel. So today we are talking about Christmas tree decor and how to DIY it, from going to your local Christmas tree farm and collecting the scrappings and then going into, the yard and collecting pretty little, decor. And these are all live pieces, okay, from what I'm going to show you. And I did this barely anything spent. I'm going to say I spent about $3 to do these projects, and you'll see. And so if you're interested in seeing how I did that, and one of the projects that I did is that right there behind me. There it is. And also one beautiful little Christmas little jar. So I went to my local Christmas tree area where I've never bought a Christmas tree there. They're there. It's in the place that I normally shop, but I never really buy a tree there. I usually get my little tree from Lowe's, but I didn't feel like driving all the way to Lowe's, and so I says, let me stop there and see if I can get scrappings, because normally at Lowe's there's a bin where you can just go and get your scrappings. But like I said, I'd never been to this one, so I was like, let me ask. So the woman was very nice, and she let me have some. And then I went into the park where I have some, I don't know what they're called, if they're berry trees or what. So I went and I clipped some of those, which is what you're gonna see right here. And so I got some string. I made a trip to Dollar Tree, got some twine, some string to put it all together, and they turned out beautiful. I made some rings. I made some wreaths. Is that what they're called? Wreaths? I don't know. I made some of those. I made some beautiful things. So again, I spent about $3 for this project, and I've got about 6 different setups that I've done. So if you're interested in seeing that, let's go.